Now, let's see how we can upload an image also with our form. So first thing that I will do after the score inside my data in here, I will type the image also, and by default I will set the value to null. Then let's scroll down and create our input. So let's scroll and copy this, paste it below it, change the tag to file, name to image. For this we don't need the value, and on on change we have to change score to value as well, to image as well. Then in the second parameter of set data, we will type e.target. So instead of value we will say files and index of 0, or that's it. Now if I go to my project, click create. Now I have my file upload option also. Let's change the title as well. So let's call this image check. Okay. So our front end is done. The only we have to add our input field or file, and also in our data we have to add the image. Now let's go to the controller, instance controller, and before the save, in here we will check if $and request has file with the name of image. Then in that case we will put our image to our inside our storage folder. So for that we will say path is equal to request file image, and store this file to students folder inside public. So this will move our file inside our storage folder. If I scroll down inside my file, storage app, and it will add it inside public folder. Then after that, we have also have to save the image path to our database. So we will say student image is equal to $path. That's it. So, and this is a part of our backend, our controller, where we check if the file exists. We will move the file to our storage folder and save the path to our database. Now let's go, and in here let's fill this form. So this is our name, age is 18, female, and let's choose an image. So let's select this one, open, and click save student. So our student is saved. And if I come to inside my storage app public, there is a folder with the name of student. And if I open this is our image. And also if I go to my students table, select all. Now as you guys can see, the image has been also, the image part has been also saved with our data. So that's it for the image. We just only have to add the image inside our data.